Clearing your search history on Telegram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to remove your search history effectively. Step 1. Open Telegram. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access the search bar. Tap on the search icon, usually located at the top of the screen. This will bring up the search bar where you can see your recent searches. Step 3. View recent searches. In the search bar, you will see a list of your recent searches. This list shows all the contacts, groups, and channels you have searched for. Step 4. Clear individual searches. To clear a specific search, swipe left on the search entry you want to remove and tap on the delete icon that appears. This will remove that particular search from your history. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history, go to the settings by tapping on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then scroll down to find Clear Search History. Confirm your choice to delete all entries. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Telegram. Regularly clearing your history can help maintain your privacy and keep your app organized.